How to change your Twitter discoverability settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your Twitter discoverability settings. For this, you just have to follow these simple steps. First of all, open up your Twitter application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, when this home page of the Twitter appears, go into the profile option or just tap into your profile icon that is at the top left corner of your screen. When you do that, a new dialog box is going to appear from the left side of the screen, in which there are going to be series of options, and you're going to look for the settings and privacy, that is the second last option in the dialog box. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and look for another option by the name of privacy and safety. So once you tap on it, you see a new dialog box appears which suggests a lot of options, but you have to select the discoverability and contacts option. Once you do that, when you tap on the discoverability and contacts option, a new page pops up. In this page, you have to just uncheck these two options that says let others find you by your email. By this, no other person would able to find you by your email. And by unchecking another option that says let others find you by your phone, that means nobody would be able to find you by your phone address. And by unchecking both of these, no person would be able to find you even if that person has synced address book contacts. So this is how you do it. This is how you turn off the discoverability and contact options in your Twitter. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.